Today, I'm going to make a delicious Çökertme Kebap at home with crispy potatoes and tender meat. Let's begin. First, I'll thinly slice and marinate the meat. I roll the thinly sliced beef sirloin and cut it into strips. I add grated onion, olive oil, milk, cumin, salt, and black pepper. If you prefer, you can use sparkling water instead of milk for the marinade. I mix everything together and leave it in the fridge for half an hour. While the meat is marinating, I prepare the matchstick potatoes. I thinly slice the potatoes that I've soaked in water. If you have a slicer like this, you can easily use it, but you can also slice them thinly with a knife. I cut the potato slices into matchsticks. The thinner you cut them, the crispier they will be. I place the potatoes in plenty of water and leave them for about 15 minutes. Now I'll prepare the tomato sauce. I heat some oil, saute the garlic, and immediately add the tomato puree. For seasoning, I add salt, black pepper, thyme, and a little chili flakes. Once it starts bubbling, I cook it over a low heat for about 10 minutes. The meat has marinated, so I cook it in a hot pan. Meanwhile, I fry the matchstick potatoes. The sauce is ready and so are the meat and potatoes. Now we can start plating. First, I add garlic strained yogurt to the plate to hold the matchstick potatoes in place. Then I add another layer of garlic yogurt on top. I add a little tomato sauce, then the tender cooked meat. I add a little more tomato sauce, then serve with fresh thyme and hot melted butter. The Çökertme Kebap is ready. It looks incredibly appetizing. Let's enjoy it straight away while it's still hot. The meat is really tender and the potatoes are perfectly crispy. The garlic yogurt and tomato sauce complement them beautifully. The seasoning is well balanced and it's a very satisfying dish. I definitely recommend trying Çökertme Kebap. Enjoy!